the World Sovereign Bank of the Order of Hospodářů presents to you the world's first gold cryptocurrency, CryptoXAU AXM, stably secured by System Balance Bank Gold M0BSA. Be smart and do good. Keep your honestly received energies of gratitude finance in a reliable and indestructible gold standard. Unfortunately, today official statistics show that the theft of cryptocurrency wallets from their owners has increased. Official statistics confirm the official figures for theft rates to be between 52 and 54%. New Perfect Technology, a new crypto bank in the World Sovereign Bank of the Order of Hospodářů, eliminates theft of your cryptocurrencies and your money. Both practically and theoretically, you are absolutely protected. The most protected and untouchable type of property in the world is the share ownership of a sovereign society. How to buy CryptoXAU? You can acquire CryptoXAU AXM in only one way. Register and open an account in the World Sovereign Bank of the Order of Hospodářů in the Additional Accounts section. Open an account with CryptoXAU AXM. By opening an account in the World Sovereign Bank of the Order of Hospodářů, you necessarily become a member of the World Sovereign Union of Cooperation like Great Rus, hereinafter referred to as World Sovereign Union. Thereby you operate in the sovereign legal field, which is not regulated and will not be regulated from the position Roman and Admiralty law. The legal basis for your activities is the law of the sovereign, taking into account the international rules of law on share consumer cooperative societies and unions. State authorities and local government bodies do not have the right to interfere in the economic, financial, and other activities of share, consumer cooperative societies and unions. As a member of the World Sovereign Union of Cooperation like Great Rus, all your money and cryptocurrency transfers sent to your personal account in the World Sovereign Bank of the Order of Hospodářů are your share contributions and your share inviolable property in the sovereign legal field. Namely, such payments, their volume, fund history, and other parameters cannot be blocked and are subject to any compliance checks. Benefits of CryptoXAU. Unlike destructive fiat cryptocurrencies, CryptoXAU AXM is confirmed in your special bank account. At first, you have an account opening document. Secondly, your banking constantly generates account statements, balance sheets, income or expense analysis, and all this is confidential. The law of the sovereign and the international norms of law on share consumer cooperative societies and unions prohibits the accounting and settlement center of the World Sovereign Union, the Sovereign International Treasury M1, and the Settlement and Banking Center of the World Sovereign Union under the Treasury of the World Sovereign Union, the World Sovereign Bank of the Order of Hospodářů, from disclosing and transmitting any information about the sovereign share ownership of the members of World Sovereign Union to third parties without written permission or instructions from the member. According to the Code of Creation, the use by you of your reliable, secured, sovereign, mutual funds in any necessary transaction is not subject to restrictions, because share property is absolutely pure monetary and financial asset in the entire world space. We clarify that CryptoXAU AXM is absolutely legal and absolutely secured by the World Reserve backing currency M0M1BSA GDL, and therefore systemic balance sheet. Banking gold is stable at the rate of 1 CryptoXAU AXM equals to 1 gold dollar, which is equals to 1 gram of balanced system banking gold, which allows you to reliably save your financial value from financial crisis, inflation, falling values of fiat currencies, falling rates of fiat cryptocurrencies, and other dangerous elements of the aggressive financial environment at the time of the global financial crisis and transition period of the world financial system to the gold standard. We don't do business. We are fulfilling a sacred mission, as a result of which the following must be constantly present in your life and in your home: love, warmth, harmony, prosperity, and stability, as well as blessed calm and full confidence in tomorrow and the future.